You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Hello folks, we're going to be learning You Are My Sunshine today. Okay. This song can be played in two chords. So just check out memorize these two chords and then just go back and forth. This is a style of accompanying style, so you won't be playing the melody parts. Melody parts will be usually sung. So what we're going to do is you're going to be learning the chord style. So kind of like playing a guitar, pressing a chords and a strum. But in the piano, there's a way to playing chords as well. Okay, here we go. So your thumb goes down to C, and then you skip next note and then play E, and then you skip next note and then play G. Okay, and the left hand you play thumb on the C, and that's the C chords. Cool. Now once you are memorized that chords, now same shape of your finger, but we're going to move our thumb to F chords. Okay, F in the left hand, thumb on the F, right hand, you skip one note again, A, C. So the shape didn't change at all, so you could play F chords. Okay, let's play a few times. Then again go back to C chords. So without changing any shape of your finger, you just keep going to where the thumb meets the C. Okay. Cool. Now with just two chords, F chord to C chords, we're gonna be playing You're My Sunshine. Okay. Now again, you're not gonna be hearing the melody. It's something that it's a sing along basically. Okay, all right, start with the C chords. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Alright, so hope you guys will practice a few times and see how it feels for you guys as well. Okay, thank you.